My powermate 5000 generator has no spark. What should I do?
Hi, my name is XXXXX XXXXX. We'll try and help with this problem today. Have you checked the oil since your unit has a low oil sensor? The unit has to be placed on a level area. If the oil is full, you can locate the oil sensor and try unplugging the wire to it and try it to see if it starts. Also, when checking for spark, you are grounding the threads of the spark plug to the block correct. If this don't help, please ask me for more help. I will need to know the make of engine and model number for more help. Thanks, Glen.
It's full of oil, it's brand new. I also bypassed the on and off switch, but when I took the pull start housing off, I noticed the flywheel had little corrosion on it from sitting in the garage for 2 years, so I took light sandpaper and sanded the outer part of the flywheel clean. The spark plug magneto is also tight and in place with the proper gaping, still no spark. How could the magneto go bad, if it even did, from just sitting in the garage?
Here is a way to check if the coil is bad. You can unhook the small wire that goes to the coil. That small wire is the kill wire from the unit. If you have spark with that, unplug the coil is okay, then it's one of the sensors or a bad wire that's gotten grounded out.
I checked the coil for grounding and still get nothing. Should I replace it?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.